Hey fam, it's your girl Miss D, here to get you in step with an instructional video of your favorite line dance. Now today we're doing Groove Rock. It's also called Ain't Nobody because it's done to the classic song by Shaka Khan. It is 6/8 counts and it's 4 walls, but it's a beginner. So you're going to catch it on in 5 minutes. All right. So let's get started. So I'm going to turn my back to make it easier to follow. This is my right. This is my left. That's the front and that's the back, right? First 8 count, we're going to walk up and tap, walk back and tap. Ready? Going to start with the right foot. So we go up, right, right, tap out with the left, and then pick up the left to step back. Left, tap out with the right. Okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, tap out, left, tap out. In the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, first count of 8. Second count of 8 are in and out taps. So we just landed here on 8. We're going to bring it in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Okay, so we're here and we start in, out with the left in, right out, right in, left tap, tap, that's twice out, and then back in. And the count, we're here. The count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so let's put those first 2 8 counts together. Ready? We're going to walk up, tap, walk back, tap, and then in and out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, tap out, left, tap out. In, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. All right. Okay, so third count of 8 are the kicks. Okay, so you're going to pick up the right, kick it out, out and down, then step back, left, right, and then kick left and down. Step back, right, left. And this is commonly known the juke joint kick, right? So however you can remember it. So, but you start with the right, kick, down, cross over with the right, and then step back left, step back right. Then kick with the left, cross over, and then step back right, step back left. Okay? And the count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step down, left, right, kick, step down, right, left. Okay, all right, so let's put those 3 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, walk. Right, tap out, left, tap out. In, out, in, out, in, out, out. Get kick down, and kick down, right, left. All right, halfway. Fourth count of 8, you're going to cha-cha and half turns. Okay, so you're going to start with the right. Let's see, we just went kick, down. So we just step with our left. So we're going to pick up our right, cha-cha up, left forward, pivot, half turn. And then with that left leg is back, cha-cha forward with it, pick up the right, half turn. Okay, now, if you're doing it as a trail ride version type of line dance, you may not see the cha-cha. You will see more of the double tap dance. You know how trail ride folks get down, okay? So either or, your flavor, all right? So, but it's cha-cha, step, half turn, cha-cha, step, half turn. Or you can double tap, step, half turn, double tap, step, half turn. Your flavor, right? That's the fourth count of 8. So let's put those first 4 8 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Right, tap out, back, tap out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Now kick, down, left, right, kick, down, right, left. Now cha-cha up, step, half turn, cha-cha up, step, half turn. Okay, let's try one more time and let's count it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Okay, from here, you're going to do body rolls to the left, all right? So when you come out that last turn, be ready to turn to the diagonal, right? And you're going to do 4 body rolls. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's back in front, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. All right, however you want to do it, and however low you want to get with it too. These knees 55, so they don't go too low. But hey, if you can work it out, have at it. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we just went cha-cha up, half turn, cha-cha up, get ready to roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that was the 5th count of 8. Last count, 6th count, 6th, 8th count. You're going to walk up, 2, 3 with a kick, 5, 6, step 7, turn on 7 with the step, and 8, you're facing the side wall. So it's a quarter turn, okay? So what did we do? We went right, kick left, left, right, turn, side. And you are done. Those are the 6, 8 counts, okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap out. 5, 6, 7, tap out. In, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Now kick, down, left, right, kick, down, right, left. Cha-cha up and turn, cha-cha up and turn. Now roll it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now walk. 2, 3, kick, and 5, 6, turn. And here, the dance starts over. All right, so let's try from the side view. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, out. 5, 6, 7, out. In, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Now kick down and kick it down, right, left. Cha-cha up, turn, and cha-cha up, turn. Now roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Now walk, 2, 3, kick, 4, 5, 6, turn, 7, 8, and start over. 5, 6, 7, 8, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in. Now kick, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. 1, 2, 3, kick, 5, 6, turn it. Dance starts over. That is it, guys. That's all to it. So hopefully you can get it. Get out there on the dance floor. All right. If this was helpful, let me know. Send me a comment, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Grow with me. Thank you, guys. Love you. Mwah. See you next time.